Okay, so this story comes from Borrow Running Club, to be exact. It looks like they had a trailer theft, and inside their trailer was their running gear. Now, neither one was of value money-wise. The trailer had more rust than paint, as one of the members say. And inside the trailer was nothing but some jackets, cones, things that they need that are essential to running their running club. The thieves think that there's either, something inside there, or the trailer may be of value, but at the end of the day it wasn't, and these things are going to have to be replaced. We could have put a GPS tracker in the trailer. It would have alerted them upon leaving any area, and then they could have caught up to the trailer and most likely recovered the items within the trailer within a matter of minutes, maybe an hour at the most. But that's what GPS trackers are for, are to help protect not only our assets, but what we do with those assets. You can reach me directly at 480-659-9229 or book a demo.